Hello children, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. In this session, let us discuss about how to express trigonometric ratios in terms of sin A, in terms of cos A, in terms of tan A, in terms of cosec A, in terms of cot A, and in terms of sec A. Okay. So, before expressing the trigonometric ratios, first of all, we should know the most important three identities. Identity 1, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Sin square A plus cos square equal to 1. So, if you want sin square A, this plus cos square A you transpose, it will become 1 minus cos square A. So, sin square A we can write it as 1 minus cos square A. Okay. As here we have square transpose towards right hand side, it will become sin A is nothing but square root of 1 minus cos square A. Square root of 1 minus cos square A. Right? That is about first thing. Now coming to second thing, if you want cos square A, what you do? Plus sin square A you transpose. It will become 1 minus sin square A, right? Sin square A is nothing but 1 minus cos square A, whereas cos square A is nothing but 1 minus sin square A. So square you transpose, it will become root over 1 minus sin square A. Okay, this is our first identity. So sin square A is nothing but 1 minus cos square A, whereas sin A is nothing but root over 1 minus sin square A. You see here sin square A 1 minus cos square A, whereas sin A root over 1 minus cos square A. Right? Whereas cos square A is 1 minus sin square A, but cos A is square root of 1 minus sin square A. That is our identity number 1. Now coming to second one, sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. This is our second identity. Sec and tan, they are combinations. Okay. Now if you want sec square A, what you do? Minus tan square A you transpose towards right hand side, it will become 1 plus tan square A. So sec square A is nothing but 1 plus tan square A. Square you transpose, it becomes root. So sec A is nothing but under root 1 plus tan square A. Clear? This is in terms of sec. Now coming to tan, students listen carefully. Actually here we have minus tan square A, right? So if you want plus or positive tan square A, minus tan square A, if you transpose that side, it will become plus tan square A, and plus 1 if you transpose this side, it will become sec square A minus 1. So here you have to be careful. Tan square A is nothing but sec square A minus 1, not 1 minus sec square A. That is the major mistake in general the student చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. Tan square A అనగానే 1 minus sec square A రాస్తారు, but that is wrong. So tan square A is nothing but sec square A minus 1. Okay. If you want tan A, under root sec square A minus 1. This is our second identities. Okay. Sec square A is nothing but 1 plus tan square A, but tan square A is nothing but sec square A minus 1. Now coming to our third identity in terms of cosec and cot, cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. So minus cot square A you transpose that side, it will become 1 plus cot square A. Cosec square A is nothing but 1 plus cot square A. Suppose if you want only cosec A, it will become root over 1 plus cot square A. Okay, what is cosec square A? Nothing but 1 plus cot square A. Can you guess what is cot square A? Because here minus cot square A is there, we are transposing towards right hand side, it will become plus cot square A. Whereas left hand side we have cosec square A, and 1 we are transposing, it will become cosec square A minus 1. What is cot square A? Cosec square A minus 1. You transpose square towards right hand side, it will become root over cosec square A minus 1. Okay, these are the three identities we should learn first of all. Now my question is, express all the trigonometric ratios in terms of sin A. in terms of sin A. Also you should know relationship between trigonometric ratios. Okay, we know that sin A is nothing but 1 by cosec A. Also cos A is nothing but 1 by sec A. Tan A is nothing but 1 by cot A. Also tan A we can also express as tan A we can also express as sin A by cos A. Tan A is the reciprocal of cot. Also tan A we can express as a sin A by cos A. Next cot A we can express as 1 by tan A. Also we can write as cos A by sin A. And cosec A we can write as 1 by sin A. And sec A we can write as 1 by cos A. This is the relationship between trigonometric ratios. These relationships and trigonometric identities we will use when we want to express trigonometric ratios in terms of any other function, right? Suppose let us express cos A in terms of sin A. Simply cos A is nothing but in terms of sin they are asking. We know that cos A is nothing but root over 1 minus sin square A. Cos A is nothing but what? Root over 1 minus sin square A. See here, cos we expressed in terms of sin. The next function tan. What is tan? Tan we need to express in terms of sin. We know that tan A is nothing but sin A by cos A. Okay, but they are asking only in terms of sin. Okay, numerator sin let it be, whereas in denominator sin cos A we can write as root over 1 minus sin square A. See, tan we expressed in terms of sin, only sin function. Tan in terms of sin. Now coming to cot. What is cot? Cot is nothing but cos A by sin A. We are expressing cot in terms of sin. Cos we can write as root over 1 minus sin square A by sin A. See, cot we express in terms of sin. Next, cosec A. Cosec A is nothing but simply 1 by sin A. We express the cosec in terms of sin. Next, cos A. Sec A. Sec A is nothing but 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A we can write as 1 minus sin square A. See, we express all the trigonometric ratios. Cos in terms of sin, tan in terms of sin, cot in terms of sin, cosec in terms of sin, sec also in terms of sin. Okay, so they'll ask express tan A in terms of sin A. 2 marks question they'll ask, or else 1 mark bit also they are asking nowadays. Clear? How to express one function into another function? Now let us express all the trigonometric function in terms of cos A. Okay, what is the question? All the trigonometric function let us express in terms of cos A. Okay, in terms of cos A. First trigonometric function sin we need to express in terms of cos. We know that sin is nothing but, we need to express sin in terms of cos. Sin A is nothing but what? Sin A is nothing but root over 1 minus cos square A. See, we express the sin in terms of cos. Now coming to tan. Tan A we can write as sin A by cos A. Okay. We want only cos. Sin A we can express as root over 1 minus cos square A by cos A. See, tan we express in terms of cos. Now coming to cot. Cot is nothing but cos A by sin A. Numerator cos A let it be. Denominator sin A. Denominator sin A I can write as root over 1 minus cos square A. See, cot we express in terms of cos. What about cosec? Cosec is nothing but 1 by sin A. Now sin you express in terms of cos, nothing but 1 by root over 1 minus cos square A. See, cosec we express in terms of cos. Now coming to sec A, simply sec is nothing but reciprocal of cos. Sec A we expressed in terms of cos. Right? Now let us express all the trigonometric functions in terms of tan A. In terms of tan A, what is sin A? Sin A, we need to express sin A, we need to express in terms of tan A. Okay children? So we know that sin A is the reciprocal of cosec A. Sin A is the reciprocal of cosec A. What is cosec A children? Cosec A is nothing but root over 1 plus cot square A. Root over 1 plus cot square A. But they are asking to express sine in terms of tan. Also we know that 1 by root over 1 plus cot square A is the reciprocal of tan square A. So 1 by root over nothing in the sense 1, LCM is tan square A into 1 tan square A plus 1 into 1 1. Now reciprocal, it will become root over tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. See, we express the sign in terms of tan. Once again, sin A we can write as 1 by cosec A because sin is reciprocal of cosec. We know that cosec A is nothing but root over 1 plus cot square A. Cosec A is nothing but root over 1 plus cot square A. We know that cot square is the reciprocal of tan. Cot square A we can express as 1 by tan square A. Then nothing in the sense 1 tan square A LCM tan square A into 1 tan square A plus 1 into 1 1. Now reciprocal, it will become root over tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Clear? This is sine in terms of tan. Now cos in terms of tan. How can I write as cos? Cos means reciprocal of sec, right? Sec A nothing but root over 1 plus tan square A. See, cos we expressed as in terms of tan. Cos A is nothing but 1 by root over 1 plus tan square A. Now coming to cot A is nothing but simply 1 by tan A. Cot we expressed as tan. Now coming to cosec A is nothing but 1 by sin A, or else cosec A we can express as cosec A is nothing but root over 1 plus cot square A. Root over 1 plus cot square A I can write as 1 by tan square A. Nothing in the sense 1, as LCM is tan square A into 1 tan square A plus 1 into 1 1. So cosec A in terms of tan is nothing but root over tan square A plus 1 by tan square A. Now coming to sec A we need to express in terms of tan. We know that already sec A is nothing but root over 1 plus tan square A. Root over 1 plus tan square A. This is about expressing all the trigonometric functions in terms of tan. Now let us express in terms of cot A. Coming to first one, sin A. So what is sin A? Sin A is the reciprocal of cosec A. What is cosec A? Cosec A is nothing but root over 1 plus cot square A. See, sin we express in terms of cot. Now coming to cos. Cos is nothing but reciprocal of sec. What is sec A? Sec A is nothing but root over 1 plus tan square A. Also we know that tan square A is nothing but 1 by cot square A. 1 by, as nothing in the sense 1 cot square A LCM cot square A into 1 cot square A plus 1 into 1 1. Again reciprocal, it will become cot square A by 1 plus cot square A. See, cos we expressed in terms of cot. Now coming to tan, tan is nothing but simply tan A is nothing but 1 by cot A. So that is easy only. Tan we can express easily. Tan we can express as 1 by cot A. That's all. Now coming to sec A. Sec A is nothing but root over 1 plus tan square A. Root over 1 plus tan square A. Again root over 1 plus tan square A. I can write as 1 by cot square A. Again nothing in the sense 1. LCM is cot square A. Cot square A into 1 cot square A plus 1 into 1 1. Now coming to cosec, we can express as simply root over 1 plus cot square A. Right? Children, I think you understood how to express all the trigonometric functions in terms of sine, cos, tan, cot. Similarly, you try to find out, express all the trigonometric ratios in terms of A, in terms of cosec A. Okay? I hope you understood this topic, because nowadays they are asking this question for 2 marks and as well as for 1 mark question. And also the most important topic. So as we are doing many numericals, as we are solving the problems, these are the most important things. Okay? Until and unless if you don't know this concept, you cannot solve 8 mark questions and 4 mark questions from this chapter. Not only in this class, if you go to further classes also. Thank you, children.